Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I got some exciting news that I want to let you guys know about. Now, we have heard about a lot of information about Neo and them putting out a lot of shares. They did this strategically, so the fact that they did that stuff a week before they announced the August delivery numbers, it seems like they know what they're doing. Neo knows what they're doing. They obviously know that with putting out shares, it causes the sort of dilution and people start losing confidence in the stock, so the price tends to drop a little bit. But so far we're doing pretty good because Neo is actually at $19, almost $20, man. We're at 19.93 with the pre-market included. It's 1:42 a.m. for me, so we are kind of getting that like pre-market kind of action going on before Thursday, which is when I think the stock is gonna get over $20 by then, because we got some good news. This is what's going on, man. August 2020 delivery numbers are here, and it's this is from the official Neo website. 3,965 vehicles, which is them setting a new monthly record. And just alone in 2020, they delivered 21,667 cars. That's a 109% year-over-year increase. Now, the total cumulative deliveries for the ES8 and the ES6, which is their flagship cars, that was 53,580 cars overall. That's just their all-time deliveries. So that's just those two cars alone. You guys have to understand that the EC6 was released, right? Information about that, everything like that. But deliveries won't take place until this month. So we are in the month of September, so we won't know how the EC6 has performed sales wise until the end of this month or beginning of next month, which is October. So in October, once we get that delivery update for the month of September, that's when we will know how many cars roughly the EC6 has how much Neo has delivered for this car. So we will know then. Just for comparison, guys, I want to let you guys know this number right here, 3,965. We're getting close to that 4,000 delivery mark. Now, the fact that we're almost there, I want to put the other months into context. So for July, we had that 3,533 deliveries, which is a 322% year-over-year increase, which is insane. That was one of their biggest months, I guess, in percentage and just overall year-over-year. But it wasn't their best month ever. So the previous monthly record for deliveries for Neo was actually June. If you guys could remember, they actually delivered 3,740 vehicles the month of June, which was their new monthly record at the time. Now we know that this is 3,900. We're close to 4,000. This is the new record. So this is the number to beat basically on the coming months, and I expect this number to be broken easily. I can see 5,000 cars, 6,000 cars even November, December of this year, because the last few quarters of the year they seem to get more sales. It's typical for a lot of car companies to get more sales at the end of the year because of Christmas and a lot of stuff going on. People want to start out the next year with the new car. They want to get that new car vibes. Anyway, this is their sales, or I want to say deliveries for the month of May of this year. So they had 3,436 vehicle deliveries, which at the time was also a record. So Neo just is coming out breaking monthly records every month almost, with the exception of July. Clearly, July was kind of like the month where the growth slowed down, but there was a reason. There was a 5-day suspension of the manufacturing, which was to prepare for the EC6 productions. And there was a lot of other flood-related supply chain challenges that they were dealing with. That's what the founder said, William Ben Lee. So yeah, July was a month full of challenges for them. That's why they only had 3,500 vehicles that were delivered, which compared to the previous month before that, June, that seemed like a step back, in sales or deliveries. So the fact that we're now back up close to getting 4,000 again is crazy. That means that we are heading towards that 5,000 car mark, which to me that's a good number, to go off on. That's 15,000 vehicles per quarter. If you get about 5,000 average per month, you know, you can get over 15,000 per quarter. So yeah, per year that ends up being like 60,000 cars delivered if you get about that many per quarter. So that's where NIO's headed, and I see the stock going up in value, in price, everything, just because of that, just because of that information. Very bullish info, guys, and I wanted to be the first to put out this content for you guys. You know how we do things here in this channel, Nominal Investor. I'm changing my name, my YouTube name, to Nominal Gains, because we're all about getting gains in the stock market. So yeah, so now we're heading off to Twitter, and now we have this picture right here. This guy, it said NIO long and strong, not worried. He said NIO. He just typed in NIO stock forecast on Google search, and he got the 14 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for NIO. Have a median target of $108 with a high estimate of $159, low estimate of $30. The median estimate represents a 400% increase from the last price of $18.51. So yeah, I think we're gonna hit that number of $100 within a year. Hopefully by summer or like Q3 of 2021 we can get that number, because NIO could just go up parabolically. Like it could just increase, and people will just FOMO into it. And when enough people FOMO into a stock like this, especially with an emerging company in an emerging market like the EV market, it's going to go up in value a lot. And this is another tweet that I saw. It's a picture. It shows the Saks. We got the Illuminati right here. No, I'm just playing. But for real, the target price that they're setting as of August 31st, which is just a couple days ago, it was $22. So already, I don't know how big this holdings company is or whatever this is, but they got to upgrade basically a buy rating from this Saks company. They seem to have some trading information going on and stuff, like what they think the stock can grow in a year. They're just offering projections. They think it can go up to $22. I think this is possible as well. This is very easy. $22 is what I was giving this company as a price target earlier in my videos. Before it even reached $20, I was saying it's gonna go up to 22. Once it gets to 22, guess what's next? It's $25, guys. You guys already know. With the EC6 coming out this month, actually they're gonna release these cars. They're gonna actually deliver them sometime during September, hopefully. If not, if it doesn't get delayed, but that's when the cars will, or when the cars are expected to enter the market, the EV market in China, which is, by the way, the largest EV market in the world. That is why Tesla is targeting China harshly. It's because they want to go after that precious market over there that the Chinese are right now, like, the number ones in. They're trying to run it. You got Xpeng Motors, you got Li Motors, you got NIO. There's probably more that I'm not mentioning, but Tesla's obviously number one. They're gonna be number one for a while, for a very long time. The only thing that NIO right now has going on that is competing with Tesla in is just the EV market in China. In China, not globally. I'm just saying in China. But NIO does have the potential to expand globally as well. They may not have the same reach like Tesla has right now in terms of sales or deliveries or just overall exposure, but they can get a little bit of the market. They can capture even if it's 5%, 3% of the entire EV global market. They can, if they do something like that, even 5%, 10%, I don't know. Numbers like that don't seem very large or significant, but they are when you look at the grand scheme of things. When you look at everything just from an eagle eye perspective, just looking overhead, that's a lot, because it can go up, over time, 10, 20 years from now, that can become, NIO can become one of those companies that is actually trailing right behind. It's number 2, number 3, I don't know, but top 3 overall in the EV market, because they have been here so early. They're looking to expand into not only that, but scale up in production. That's something that we need to look out for, and what's going to benefit NIO's price, and that's why we're going to get those triple digit numbers easily. So NIO has this ecosystem going on too. I want to mention this. They got the NIO House, guys, and they got the NIO Power, which is the battery as a service, that program type thing that they got going on, that they want to promote as much as possible, because this is a very lucrative market over there in terms of RMB. This represents 2 trillion RMB around there. So that's obviously billions in dollars, in US dollars. So yeah, it just shows you. You guys can pause if you guys want to read this stuff, but it's giving you the benefits of owning a Neo car, which is like free power services 15 times a month, free power quota of 1,000 kilowatts hours per month. So that's pretty decent, worry free power plan that they offer for the owners of Neo. They got this the whole Neo Power mobile thing going on, where you call a Neo specialist. He brings in one of these Neo Power vans, and with the help of your Neo app, which is, by the way, there's an entire ecosystem going on with this company, you can get access to this guy coming to you and charging your car like this picture right here. I want to zoom in on it. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm zooming in. I don't even know where it went. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, as soon as I zoom in, it just like completely leaves out everything else in its path. So now we're back to 100%. Yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to this release of the EC6, and I'm very hopeful. There's a lot of hopium in the air. People saying this stock can go up to $30. I know it can. It's a matter of not if, but it's a matter of when it's gonna happen, and I think it's gonna happen. Hopefully by the end of this month. People are saying Neo going to $30 end of September. I think it's possible, man. Or beginning of October, we can get to $30. I mean, I know we're shooting pretty high with that, but it's possible. We've seen this stock go from $11 to almost $22, which is it's about a 100% increase right there in like 2 or 3 months time. So yeah, definitely, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.